Those who are doing Yescoin, it's kind of like a good news you are getting from this video. So here is, if you noticed in this circle here, a couple of exchanges is popping up, and you are, you know, shocking here. Okay, so anyhow, I'm going to show you how to increase point, regarding the any obstacle, and I will as well show you when it is going to be listed and which exchanges it is going to be listed. Okay, so here is, you can earn couple of way you can increase your point exponentially. This is first one is doing this yes claim. Okay, so for doing, you will get a lot of points inside of your points system. And here is another thing, if you noticed in here, that I'm going to show you earn option. So click on this earn option, and here is, if I do little bit scroll down, here is invite. You can invite in your friend, family, doesn't matter, whoever. You can invite your audience, daily checking, and click on there, is simple as that. And my daily claim, I'm doing claiming here. First you need to connect your Tone wallet in here, so I'm going to connect it here. So it's as simple as that. It's not tough. It is just your Telegram wallet would be opened up, and you need to link it in with your Yescoin mini apps, and that's it, as simple as that. So just a couple of seconds it needs to be connected, and then you can you can wait, just increase your point, and you can wait for withdraw that stuff. So just click on this little bit, connect, and back to yes. And here is I'm in here, and here it is claiming. If you noticed, here is loading still. I already claim it. A little bit time would take, because inside of the home, I mean, it's network problem. I do over and over again that stuff. So here everything is pretty much simple, straightforward. So it is being done. Now I'm going to show you their Twitter, and here we see inside of the Twitter of Yescoin. You noticed here that they are partnered with a couple of tier 1 exchanger. If you noticed, Bybit, OKX, Bing X, a lot of Bybit, Binance. Okay, so Binance is maybe they're going to be listed of those exchanger, and that has on there, even Tone. They are this token is blockchain network is Tone. Okay, Yescoin, Notcoin, whatever, in those are in Telegram. Okay, so notice it's positive entirely. It's a good news for those who are doing Yescoin tapping. And here is a couple of ways you can increase your point exponentially. So if I do back, I am in, and here is connect your wallet. For connecting, you will get a lot. Okay, so I already connected. So now you already claimed it, and now click on this up to silver claim. If you click on there, it is being done. Now click, you can do this simple task that is so much easy, that is non worthwhile to show you. You can do it in yourself. So if you do here, there's like couple of tasks has. If you do even scroll, there's a lot of social tasks as well in here. So every task is you can do by yourself, not need to show you. So here is my wallet already connected, even reached here. And if I do back in here, my point has been increased. So now point you can earn this way. We can claim the box. A box would be come up with the spot. Just claim this box. Okay, it's as simple as that. Join squad. If you click on there, create a join custom squad for your friend or whatever. So I'm going to just try out it. Let me see what happened. Okay, so just try out everything, figure out hover over with every section of that Yescoin, and for that your point would be converted in real money into the airdrop. Okay, so it is as simple as that. Maybe it is worthwhile to doing rather than doing other stuff like there's a lot of bot and telegram bot has existence right now, still now, hamster combat included. There is like tapcoin.coin, this stuff. So it is worthwhile to doing because it is partnership with a lot of exchanger. If you noticed here, this uh, exchanger is popping up into the screen. It's worthwhile to doing. Okay, so see you later in the next time. Until then.